What is up, Drama Alert Nation? I'm your host, Taylor Lee, and let's get right into the news. Keem Kosmetics! I have today with me my Keem Kosmetics package. Look at how cute it is. Can you guys okay, I'm not gonna show you my address, but it came in this cute pink package. Oh my gosh, I ordered this palette on the release date, so December 2nd or December 3rd. I did get an email from Keemstar or his team saying that it was stuck in customs, so I should be receiving a signed palette. I'm so excited. And you guys, not false advertising, it came with a nose. My nose is so small and flat that it does not even stay on. Ah, here it is. Oh, it's signed. Thank you so much, Keemstar. So I actually subscribed to Keemstar after two guys on Fiverr told me to subscribe to him. Like, if you know what I'm talking about. And I got the sticker and this signed palette from Keemstar himself. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Let's get right into the swatches. So the first one I'm going to be starting off with is Call Me Rose, and it's this red color. Iconic clown red. Ooh, that is really pigmented. I'm just gonna go in a row of how it came. So the first one was Call Me Rose. The next one is gonna be Jake's Secret. Let's take that. And then we're gonna move up one. Wow. Oh, that didn't really pick up on camera. But isn't that beautiful? I love that pink color. I've never worn a pink color like that on my eyes. Okay, and then we'll move on to Drama Alert, which is just this black color. Alrighty. Wow, strong black come through. Okay, Keemstar, I see you, okay? Beauty community, do not come for Keemstar. Next, I'm going to swatch Phased. Okay, this one is a bright orange color. I've never worn a color like this before. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Again, if you hear my dog. Okay, so this is not picking up on camera like how it is in person. This is a really bright orange color. Okay, next is Kitchen Floor, which is referring to Trisha Paytas, which should have been pink. Like, what? Ooh, that one's a really nice yellow color. Okay, girl, I see you. So the next color is F the Pools, which also I'm really excited to swatch because it's like that really neon green highlighter yellow kind of color that Kylie Jenner kind of made iconic. Okay, girl, I like that. That looks nice. Again, I definitely do not feel like it's picking up the pigments in real life. Okay, will you ever focus on my arm? Thank you. Next, I'm going to be swatching W2s. So it's a white color. There's that for ya. And then we are going to move on to Twitter Fingers, which is this blue color. This is a beautiful blue. Look at that. Like, that is a beautiful blue color. Okay. Ooh. Can y'all see that? And then we are going to move on to the last color, which is Cat Thrower. And there you have it, you guys. Here's the full 9 colors of the Keem Kosmetics palette. So now that we're done swatching, let's go ahead and recreate a look.
second does. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Alright, party people, here is my final look. I put on some eyeliner, I put on some eyelashes, made my eyebrows a little darker to match the eye look, and here is the complete look! Do you guys like it? You know, I actually feel like it is kind of wearable. Beauty community, don't come after Keemstar, okay? He already gets enough heat. Let's just put that out there. Don't come for me either, okay? Because your girl is not a beauty guru, but I tried my best. Okay, y'all? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment down below what your favorite color is from this palette. Mine is definitely Jake's Secret. Thanks for watching this video. Drama Alert Nation with 192 subscribers and counting.
Take it slow.